In this video, we are going to learn how can we add prefix or add suffix on record field names. Okay, so if you look at this table dot part, then you'll see table dot transforms column names, right? So I can just transform each column names by adding any prefix or suffix. But if you look at this record dot transform, you can see only transform field but no transform field names, right? So sometimes we need this scenario that we need to add prefix in each of these field name. And how can we do this? So that's super simple. What we need to do, we just need to say record dot field names, right? And if we do this, then we'll get all the field names, right? Now we can just say, okay, list dot transform, and if I want to add prefix, then I will say each old is the prefix, and it's a delimiter is a space and then underscore actually, and this is my new name, right? And now I can just say list.zip. So list.zip expect a list of list. So this is my list, and that is record.field names, and that is source, and this is my field name, and this is my other list for that zipping. And look at this. So this is my old name, this is my new name mapping, right? And now I could just say, okay, this is my column mapping, right? Now record dot rename fields, and source is my record, and this is my mapping. And look at this, I already have added a prefix. Now if I want to add a suffix, then what I need to do, I just need to go into this and then just get rid of this part and then add suffix. That's a suffix. Oh. Yes. And here is my suffix. So that's very simple. Thank you for watching.